Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data with Norton Security detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring data with Norton Security, start by ensuring that both your source and destination devices have Norton Security installed. Open Norton Security on your source device. Navigate to the main dashboard. Click on the Settings option located at the top right corner of the window. In the Settings menu, select Backup from the list provided. Choose Backup Settings to configure your backup preferences. Here, you can select the files or folders you wish to transfer. After selecting, click on Save to apply your changes. Next, return to the main dashboard and click on Backup Now to initiate the backup process. Allow Norton Security time to complete the backup of your data. Once the backup is complete, open Norton Security on your destination device. Navigate to the main dashboard once more. Click on Restore in the Settings menu. Select Restore Files and choose the account you used for the backup. Locate the specific files or folders you want to restore. Select the desired items and click on Restore. Choose the location where you want the files to be saved on your destination device. Confirm your selection and let Norton Security restore your files. Once the restoration process is finished, you can access your transferred data on the destination device. Always double-check that all files have been transferred successfully. For any issues during the process, consult the Norton Support website for troubleshooting assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.